This quick tutorial will show you how you can upload Videoleap on Play Store. Okay, on your phone, make sure you go to Play Store, and then by the time you click on Play Store, you will see that I've already searched for the software here, but I'm going to do it again for your own sake. And then I'm gonna click on back, and then at the search options, where you say search apps and game, you are going to click on Videoleap, and then you're going to click on install. This Videoleap has a lot of effects that you can actually use, and then you're gonna love it. So click on installed, and then it will begin to install. So depending on your network connectivity, it's going to install. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to skip the installation part so that we won't really waste time on this. All right, so the software I've installed, and then you're gonna click on open, and then you're going to do some mini sign up and registration. And this thing is very powerful because it has a lot of effects. So here you're gonna click on accept and continue. Okay, and then by the time you click on accept and continue, it's gonna bring this, and then you're gonna just swipe. Okay, swipe to the left, and then it's actually loading there. So still loading. You click on get started, and yeah, you will click on influencer creator. So I click on I'm a creator, and then I click on this. I click on because I saw it on ad, and I saw that it's a very nice one. So so it's actually loading, asking me to hang on tight, and yeah, you can see some of the effect of this software. I'm gonna sign up with my Google account. So you click on Google, you click on Google, and then it's gonna bring in your mails, and then you're gonna select the one that you needed, and then as time goes by, it's going to start loading, and then it also have a pro. And one thing we're gonna do is I just click on continue, and then here it is. Here is the dashboard of it, and here you can begin to use some of the template. If you want me to do more tutorials on how to use this template, of course I'm gonna do one, but not here in this video. I'm gonna do one, but if you want me to do something like this, you can actually comment in the section below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna see you in the next video.